Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to create a custom lightning speaker in LWC. In this lesson, we will be see how to insert, edit and update the record in LWC. So here I will create a LWC component. Then I will insert, edit and update the contact record using data service in LWC. So let's jump to the my VS Code. So in the VS Code, first we will be creating LWC component. So the component name is update record LWC. So here I am copying the name of the file, Control Shift P and create Lightning Web component. Put the name of the file, press enter, select default LWC and enter. So my file has been created. The JavaScript file already open. I am opening the HTML file. So update record LWC. So JavaScript file already open. Now I am opening the HTML file. So this is my HTML file. This is my meta XML file. So in the meta XML file, I will use the target property. So it is equal to true targets and targeted. So this component will be displayed on the Lightning ad page. So I am using target Lightning ad page. Now going to the HTML page. In the HTML page, I will use Lightning card. Title, insert, edit the record in LWC using data service. Icon name custom 23. Inside the Lightning card, I will create a div class SLDS P around medium for giving the space around the container. I am using the SLDS P around medium class. This class provided Lightning design system. So inside the div, I will use the Lightning record form, that is a data service in LWC. Lightning record form, and here object API name. So object API name will pass the curly bracket. Then fields also pass the curly bracket. Then record ID also pass the curly bracket. This curly bracket I will calling the dynamic variable. Then on success, here will pass the action method. So after creating and updating the record, will pass the success. There is a action handler, change action. So this action will be provide the toast message. So object API name, pass the contact API, and here will be pass the contact field, we pass the record ID. So all of the variable will be created into the JavaScript in this LWC component. So in the JavaScript, in the export method, I will use @API, and if you using that API, the import method will be also import the API, then create this variable equal to contact. Then I am creating this record ID variable @API. Now I am importing the contact field. So import first name from Salesforce schema contact dot first name contact dot first name on first name. So I am importing the field of contact first name. Copy the line on last name. So here will be last name. Copy this line on email contact dot email. Copy this line, import phone contact dot phone. I am importing account ID also. Account ID contact dot account ID. So here I am importing the field of contact first name, last name, email, phone, and account ID. After that, I will create a variable. So in the HTML, this is the field, and I define a contact fields. So this is the variable I am defining in the JavaScript equal to square bracket. I am passing the all of the fields name here, comma, last name, comma, email, comma, phone, comma, and account ID. So this field will be visible into the Lightning component. Now I am creating a function. If record has been updated, then toast message will be displayed. So on success, I will display toast message. I will create a function in JavaScript, handle change action, copy, create a function, event. Here I will display toast message. So before using the toast message, we need to import the module of the toast event. So import in the curly bracket. So toast event from Lightning platform. So toast event. So after importing the show toast event, this show toast event will be using the handler action. So here I will create a constant variable event equal to new. So toast event, create a function. Here in the function we pass the title, message and variant. Title, message and variant. Variant. So in the title, pass the success. In the message and the variant, pass the success. In the title, pass the message update record, and in the message update record has been successfully updated. Has been successfully updated. After that, this dot this dispatch event, pass the event. This one. Instead of the semicolon, here I will use comma. Now, so here I am getting red mark. So removing this event, then save the file and deploy this code to Salesforce. So code has been deployed to source Salesforce. Now this component call into the Salesforce. So go to the add, custom add. So this component will be called on the custom add. Edit the add. My component name is update record. So I am searching my component. This is my component name, update record LWC. So this component I am drag and drop here. Now save. After save successfully, go back. So my fields of contact display here: first name, last name, email, phone, and account name. So I am creating one record. Take W3 web, email W3 webnet@gmail.com, phone, and search the account name. So I am selecting Tech W3 Web 6 and save. So record has been created, updated record has been created. Now as you can see, there is a edit option automatically available. So If you go to the contact, there is a TechW3 web record has been created. Now I am updating the record. So last name I am updating underscore 7 and save. So record has been updated. Now existing record, I am refreshing the page. You can see the name has been updated and underscore 7. So if you are stucking to update, insert and edit the record using the data service in LWC, please write in comment box and don't forget to check subscribe my channel Tech W3 Way. Thank you.